Hi friends, today I'm gonna show you how to add YouTube videos in your WordPress website. So that one is my YouTube channel, the Coding Bus, and I want to add these videos and playlist in my this website. That one is travelerplan.club. That one is both are different, but I just wanna give you example. So now I am adding videos. So there I am using one page for showing our videos, right? And I have to create one menu option for adding one menu in our website. That one is our website. I'll show you. And first of all, we just uh, create one page, right? So their name is vlog, right? And just we simply publish it, nothing, right? Now we just added one menu here for our page vlog. Okay, so there is the vlog page, that one, and we just added to the menu our blog. That one is our vlog, right? So now go to your dashboard, and now you have to we are using plugin, right? So just click on add new plugin and just search for YouTube, only YouTube, just YouTube, and search. And there's one plugin, their name is YouTube, and just click on install button. And now okay, that one is installed successfully, and just activated is this plugin. Okay, right. So just you have to go to your, now this is our page, right? So just refresh this page and we can see there our plugin, right? So you can see their YouTube option right now, because we are using their plugin YouTube free, right? So just click on YouTube, and what is okay, there is check my general YouTube embedded instruction, embedded a single video, embedded playlist. We are using their playlists, right? So we have to, what should we have to do? Okay, paste a playlist link here, right? So we are going to our videos and just click on our play all. There is one, that one is our playlist link, right? So we are going to our WordPress, paste the link and click on get playlist, right? Wait a second and you will see a video will be added. So right, so insert as a gallery or insert as a playlist, so you can choose as you wish, right? So insert as a playlist, right? So now we just update our page, right? And just refresh our website. It completed, right? And refresh our website, and now okay, that one is too loaded. Okay, now we can see there's no, actually there's no option of vlog, so we have to save the menu also, right? For the updating our menu. So just click on the save menu and updated this, and now we have to refresh our page, right? Now we refresh our page, no matter. So there is an option, we can see their vlog also. I think no, definitely we will see their one vlog page, right? Take a time because their website is very heavy right now, no problem. So right, we got it our vlog, right, page. So click on the vlog and we can see our playlist. That one is our vlog page, right? That one is vlog, right? So there is our WordPress YouTube playlist. You can add their multiple playlist, you can add their multiple videos, multiple single videos, and you can make your own vlog, right? So if you have any doubt and any questions, let me know. I'll resolve your questions and queries, right? So please subscribe my channel and like my video, and thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much.